Today I'm making a dish called greens rice or hortorizo, and it's a very popular dish on Ikaria. It's part of the Ikaria way of eating and cooking, which is to use a lot of different greens in all sorts of dishes. And this greens rice dish would be a main course in my kitchen, and it's something that is part of the whole range of plant-based main courses that are a really important part of the Ikaria way of cooking and eating. So let's get started. Got all my ingredients here. So I just want to get the carrot diced. We want a small dice, not that big, and just trim the ends off. I've got Swiss chard and spinach here. You can use almost any sweet green in this dish, and you can also use the stems. There's a strong sentiment of not wasting anything when you cook the Ikarian way. So I'm cutting my Swiss chard and the spinach next. You can also use frozen spinach for this if you like. My leek is next, and on the leek, we don't want a fine chop. I love the flavor of leek, and I like to feel the texture of the leek when I cook. As soon as the pan gets a little hot, we're gonna add some olive oil. So get the leeks in there, and our onion, the tough stems, and the carrots. You want to get a little bit of salt in there in the beginning. The garlic, and the rice. And next, I'm going to add my greens. And you just keep stirring until they begin to lose volume. If you want to push this along a little bit, you can always cover the pot. The greens have cooked down enough, so you can add either water to this if you want, or a little bit of vegetable stock, just a little bit of salt, and a couple of turns on the pepper mill. And now I'm just going to cover this, let it cook for about a half hour, 40 minutes until the rice is nice and tender. Just a little bit of fresh mint, a little bit of parsley, dill, what we call in Greek myroni, which is this beautiful, very fragrant, it's in the chervil family, and it's something that we use a lot in all sorts of greens dishes, especially in pies. I love it. It's got a very aromatic but very subtle flavor, almost like citrusy. There's almost something citrusy to me. Couldn't find fresh oregano in the market this morning, so I have dried oregano here. But all of this kind of cooking, the Ikaria way of doing things in general, is not to stress out about anything, and certainly not about dinner. So we're gonna add all our herbs now. The myroni, parsley, dill, and a little bit of mint, dried oregano here. And just get all of that mixed. I'm turning the heat off. This is really fragrant. I'm getting all of the aromas of all those herbs that I just mixed into this. We can add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to that before we serve it. Okay, ready to serve this delicious hortorizo or greens rice. And again, this is a main course in my Ikarian kitchen. A little bit of fresh lemon juice over the top, and we're ready to try this. I love this dish. It's absolutely delicious. It's got the aroma, good health, this dish. And if you want, you can serve it with a little feta.